You are tired of Instagram, you just need a timeout. So you wanna know how you can delete your Instagram account. In this week's quick tip series, you will learn exactly that. So just give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm because it will really help me out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new and get your free guide of my 0 to 10k followers on Instagram in the description down below. And the first thing you should actually know is whether you are using an iOS device or an Android phone, it works the same way. Okay, so what you gotta do is you go on Instagram, you click the three lines right here. They might be a little bit hard to click, especially if you've got bigger fingers. Give me that!
Nice.
And what you do is click on settings, go on account, go on help, go on help center, then go on this, managing your account, and here you see the delete your account. So click on it and then you have three options. How do I temporarily disable my Instagram account? How do I delete my Instagram account? How do I access or review my data? I want to delete it, go to delete your account page, click that. Why are you deleting your account? I'm too busy. And then you enter your password and you'll be able to delete your account. I would actually suggest you think twice before doing that because after that, boom, it's gone. Bye. Your account will be deleted. And if you wanna delete your account because it's not growing, I've got a gift for you. As I mentioned below is my 0 to 10k guide on how I grow from 0 to 10k followers. It's absolutely free. You can download it and practice it. And also, I can shout you out in one of my next videos. All you gotta do is just comment your Instagram username down below and I'll shout you out so I can help you grow. How about that? And we have a lot of shout out winners late. And I'm trying to shout out everyone. First we have Nathan Krug who says, Nathan White Official. He's a DJ from Germany. So check him out, especially if you're a DJ or if you're interested in music, who isn't, or if you're Germany. And if you're from Germany, let me know in the comment section down below. Then we have Justin De Los Santos, Jovan, oh here their shoutouts are actually below, Jovan, Dash, Trendmaker, and Justin Arquiso. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, you probably pronounce my real name wrong as well. Then we have Couturofo63 and he posts about dirt bike riding and Prince King. Then we have Roki who says, please shout out my YouTube channel, and you can see his YouTube channel here, and he asked me a few times, he said he's desperate, so we gotta help a brother out. He gained 130 views, it seems, in the month. He only uploaded one video, and yeah, it's not that bad. 15 views in a day, it's actually good if you didn't do any growth hacks to get them. It's actually good. Just work on your thumbnails, definitely on your phone, but yeah, definitely work on the thumbnails first. Medge.x.id7, give me a shout out. Here you go. Then we have Photo Waka Waka Are you old enough to remember this song? I really like your feet. I checked your Instagram out. I think you can just use a bit better font. Yeah, fonts, just Google or just search on YouTube, create better fonts, use gradient colors, use some shadow on the letters, multiple strokes. With very little effort, you can make way better text to your photos. And then we have Joe Marshall who says, who likes bodybuilding and fitness, follow my Instagram, Joe Marshall, with 3 L's. This is so much for today's episode. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, there is something that you gotta do. Watch one of these videos out. But this is not an ask. Do that. Binge watch my videos. Now, do you hear me?